Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Girl Vintage. I'm Tammy, and one of my favorite things is sharing my love of crafting and my love of vintage with all of you. So this is just a short video today, you guys, and the only reason I'm doing it is because I made a promise to you that when I was going to list more vintage Christmas bundles, I was going to let you know. And also I've got some great vintage ephemera bundles as well. So I hope you'll stick around to the end because I also have a sneak peek for you of my Halloween paper crafting kits that I'm currently putting together. I don't want you to miss out on that. So, hey, let's look through these bundles and I'll show you what's in them. Starting with the Christmas. How cute, right? The little pink reindeer, there's shiny brights, there's fur, there's a little lapel pin, there's Christmas cards. This one here, this is actually the shiny bright bells that are on a card with the reindeer. And look at these bells, you guys, these aqua glittered vintage bells. Oh, love, this is just like one of my favorite things. Little Putz Church. We've got little vintage angels in this one. Silver deer. This one is Santa inspired with Santa's red boots and a plastic vintage snowman, little Santa head. There's also a little bag in here filled with mercury glass beads. Really cute. This is an empty shiny bright ornament hanger box, which is great if you want to do assemblages. There's a lot of little things in here. You know, you can add to it and kind of use your imagination and put something really pretty together. You know, I always love to fill my craft room with all these special pieces, and you just can embrace your creative spirit, and it's so nice to have these fun things around. This one is beautiful angels in here. This is another little Putz house in here, the vintage poinsettia. So, you know, this is the Christmas that I've put together so far. I'm just going to kind of move this out of the way because I wanted to show you my other bundles that I've put together as well. This is a sweet little girl. She is a sachet. There's vintage advertising, sheet music. There's an antique bottle and some flowers, a vintage brooch, vintage hanky. I mean, she's a really cute bundle. And then these here, these are really ephemera bundles. And you guys, these are packed. Everything in here's old. There's stamps and correspondence and old playing cards. And look at this. Isn't that beautiful? There's cabinet cards and these gorgeous dolls, vintage advertising. These are so great for your junk journals and collages, and they're just really a lot of fun. And also, this is a needle case that is so sweet. There's like, I think 35 pieces stuffed in here, from vintage photos to advertising to invoices and all that kind of stuff that we like to use to put our junk journals together. So these are just so cute. I think you guys are really going to enjoy these, and they are available in my Etsy shop right now. Link to my shop is below. Please pause this video though and come back because I want to show you the sneak peek of the Halloween and you don't want to miss it. Okay, so whether you stuck with me or if you're just coming back from checking out all those vintage bundles, let me show you what I'm putting together. So these are little paper crafting bundles. The first one is a Halloween butterfly, and this will have vintage book pages in here from an old Nancy Drew book called The Ghost in the Gallery. This is so sweet. It's just on a wire, and it's going to be able to use it for a number of things. And this one here, you can see her like peeking out of her little window there. This is 31 Magic Spells Little Witch. Isn't she just like the cutest thing ever? I love her. I love her face. And so right now I am kind of putting the finishing touches on my kits and, you know, tweaking things here and there so I can get everything ready for you guys. It's going to be soon. I'm going to have these out. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please do so. You don't want to miss these. I'm going to do a tutorial on both of them. And thank you for stopping in today. And also I wanted to thank you for sharing your projects with me. I mean, you guys are some awesome crafters. I got to tell you, you're sending me such beautiful photos. And one of the best places to contact me is through messages on Etsy. You can attach your photos, ask me a question, whatever you need, I'm there for you. So have a great day, you guys, and thanks again, and I will see you soon with these Halloween tutorials.